Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Turtle were strolling by the lagoon, enjoying the warm sunlight and cool breeze. As they moved along, Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Turtle shared thoughts about their dreams, aspirations, and the goals they wished to achieve in life. During their journey, they met Hugo the Sparrow, curious and adventurous bird always seeking new experiences. Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Turtle, and Hugo the Sparrow decided to join forces on a grand mission that would test their strengths. Their goal was to reach the grand tree that housed the fruit of knowledge, a special fruit with great power. Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Turtle, and Hugo the Sparrow believed that tasting it would grant them wisdom and insight beyond measure. Mr. Rabbit, swift and confident, chose the shortest route despite it being the most complicated and filled with obstacles. He was certain his speed would help him overcome any challenges that lay ahead on this difficult path. Mr. Turtle, moving at his own slow and steady pace, preferred the longer route. He chose to advance calmly, savoring each step. For Mr. Turtle, the journey itself was as important as reaching the destination. Hugo the Sparrow decided to soar high into the sky, where the winds were lighter and more favorable. From above, Hugo the Sparrow could admire the vast landscape and gain a unique perspective on their quest. Each friend followed their unique path toward the grand tree. None of these paths was better or worse. What truly mattered to Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Turtle, and Hugo the Sparrow was to keep moving forward without losing hope or rushing. Mr. Rabbit, despite his incredible speed, faced numerous obstacles, twisting routes, tricky terrain, and unexpected barriers. These challenges taught Mr. Rabbit the importance of patience and that haste can sometimes lead to delays. Mr. Turtle, embracing the journey, found that a steady and consistent pace allowed him to progress without exhaustion. Mr. Turtle realized that with determination and perseverance, any destination is attainable. Hugo the Sparrow, soaring above, admired the diverse landscapes, rolling hills, winding rivers, and lush forests. Hugo the Sparrow marveled at the world's beauty and cherished the unique experiences his aerial journey provided. When they finally arrived at the grand tree, Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Turtle, and Hugo the Sparrow joyfully reunited. Each had been transformed by their individual journeys, realizing they were no longer the same as when they set out. They understood that the path one chooses isn't as important as the lessons learned along the way. The experiences and growth they encountered were the true treasures of their adventure, more valuable than the destination itself. Together, Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Turtle, and Hugo the Sparrow savored the fruit of knowledge, relishing not just its taste but the wisdom it imparted. They shared their stories and the valuable lessons each had learned. They acknowledged that even though each had taken a different route, every path held its own value and was enriching. Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Turtle, and Hugo the Sparrow learned that diverse experiences brought richer understanding. Filled with happiness, they began their journey back home, carrying newfound wisdom. They knew that no path is wrong when walked with dedication. The key is to embrace the journey wholeheartedly. The three friends continued to move forward in life, each following their unique path. Yet, Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Turtle, and Hugo the Sparrow remained united by the shared experiences and lessons from their grand adventure. The end.